Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been away, you know.
I'm not even apologizing to these niggas no more, they don't deserve it.
You know, Corona. Okay, you know when eyelashes, wow. It's not even gonna ruin your eyelashes.
Hi guys! It's so weird when there's people in the kitchen. I think that I'm just shy. Hi guys, welcome back to chefe'skitche. So guys, on today's episode of Chefe's Kitchen, we are not cooking. Attention, alert. We're not cooking today, we're not. Because coronavirus. Today in my kitchen we have two special guests. One, we have only Han. Say hi to that. And then two. Coronavirus. And then two comes to this. You know lockdown's got us all at home, so the whole gang is together. Team Chefe is here. Hey. Hi guys. Team Chefe is in the house. Okay, we're all together. Corona's got us locked up. Even though lockdown is over, because if you can go outside, go outside. But if you can't, stay at home. And if you can't stay at home, go to work. But don't go to work. These are my sous chefs, by the way. This is sous chef number 1 and the Hands are sous chef number 2. Today we're playing the game, what's in my mouth? If you know me, I don't really like stuff in my mouth, so I don't know how I'm planning to. I hope everything, I ain't seen what they prepared, so I don't know. I'm hoping everything, nothing's gonna give me, you know.
Oh, we're doing my plate first.
The doo-doo. They picked five each, right? 5 things each, and I have to try. No, break everything. No. They picked 5 things each, and I have to try everything that they made and try and guess what it is. I'm gonna give you guys the DL real quick on what I don't like. I don't like peas. I'm sure that these two, what's a nice word to call you?
Chefs.
I'm sure these two losers have put some peas inside it. I don't like tomatoes. Peas and tomatoes, yeah, I'm betting that there's something with peas in it, some tomatoes in it. I don't like potatoes. I don't like potatoes.
Do you like chips?
Yeah. well. Yeah, so I'm sure that these losers have put stuff I don't like in it, and I'm really dreading it. I haven't eaten peas in, how old am I? I haven't eaten peas in, I want to say at least 15 years. Max, minimum. But anyway, so yeah, they're gonna feed me the food, I'm gonna guess the food. I need to be blindfolded, so sous chefs blindfold me.
Can you see?
Yeah.
So yeah, you can see.
No, I can't see anything. Break my head. No, break it.
I have to make sure it's properly secured.
Bro, my eyes are very small.
Are you
so
scared?
I can't see anything. Yeah, I'm scared of what you lot gave me.
My selections first.
Tickle.
Let me just present it to the camera. So this is what we have. Ooh.
I'm so scared. Can I have a tissue and a glass of water, please?
Yes, you may. Already?
I'm scared.
You don't even know what it is.
I'm scared already. Is it nice edible sizes? Because I'm a lady.
Yes, of course. They're not big.
Yeah, but all of that's gonna come.
Item number 1. Say ah.
No.
Say ah. Say ah.
Oh, that's a sausage.
Need specifics. Kind of sausage.
It's not a frankfurter. It's one of them long ones, hot dog sausages.
What
It's a
kind?
hot dog. It's a frankfurter.
What is the ingredient?
It's a sausage.
Ingredient. What kind of sausage is it?
What? It's a sausage, bro.
Chicken, pork, beef.
Beef.
Well done. Well done.
Point to Chef
So, put your hand up.
Oh.
I ain't gonna do that for you.
Yeah, alright, cool, say that. I feel like you guys set me up for failure because you gave me something nice and easy.
No, we start off
Number
easy. 2. Say ah.
This is lotus biscoff. Biscoff spread. I like that.
Drink your water. Oh.
No, I can get it.
Item number.
I'm not setting up for failure. I know I can feel it in my bones. Oh, wait.
Say ah.
Oh, chocolate.
What kind of chocolate? Oh, she's liking it.
I don't know.
Specifics.
Just like Mars bar.
Ooh.
Is that Mars bar?
It's a Mars bar.
Get me the chef, get me. I know what the food is, get me the chef.
Item number 4.
Oh, what the hell is that? Oh my god. I'm gonna cry, because what is that? Where's the water?
She's actually crying.
What the hell? Oh. That's that nasty spread that's been lying around the kitchen. Every day I look at it and say, what the hell is this? It's not Marmite, it's like one apricot jam, innit?
What's your final answer, mate?
Huh?
What's your final answer?
That's bloody disgusting. Oh, apricot doesn't taste like that. That's that is not nice. Oh, what the hell? What was that? I don't know. I know it's a jam.
Chef.
Is it?
Chef, you don't know.
That was butters. Have you tried it? You try it.
Me?
That's butters.
I'm not doing this taste test.
It's a jam. I feel like it's an apricot jam.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Mm.
What is it?
Orange marmalade.
Oh, bloody, that's disgusting. That's not. Who buys marmalade?
First one. Say ah. Say
I don't
ah.
trust you guys no more.
Say ah.
Oh, lemon.
Oh, look at her face, all sweet.
I like a lemon.
Wow.
You know the babies with the chat lemons are like.
That was it for me.
Can I off this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So. Wow, so how did I do? What, 4 out of 5? That's,
4 out of 5.
That's so butters. That thing is not nice. People shouldn't eat that.
Mummy eats that.
Did she actually eat it?
Yeah, on her
As
bread.
in my mother?
Yeah.
Nah, that's giving me a bellyache in advance. Alright, that's 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. I'm feeling pumped. It's her one I'm dreading because I know she's wicked. I know. I know peas
Wow.
I know there's peas on that table.
Okay.
That plate.
Wow.
Shall see.
Honestly, that's a big gulp of water.
There's peas, there's peppers, there's tomato. Oh, I don't like peppers too. There's peas, there's peppers. I know.
Ready for round 2?
Pumped, ready to go.
Okay. Blindfold back home. You got tears.
No, that really upset me. It really upset me and my homegirls. I was upset. Why is she running behind me?
Honestly, I don't know what she's doing. I think she's hungry. She is.
I picked up my phone. Let's say I can even look at it.
But at least you grabbed it. Babe, your screen's off.
Okay.
I have a bellyache.
So, let's see what order we should do this in.
No, I have a bellyache.
Okay, so we've got.
Show your presentation.
No,
Show your
I don't
presentation.
want to embarrass
Show it for
myself.
comparison. You had the choices of plates. This is the one you chose. This is how you chose to present it. Yeah.
I can't even see it, but I know it's not nice.
Anyway, I'm gonna go with this one first.
No, she would never.
Ready? Say ah.
Say we don't buy no drinks at bar.
See, she's delaying. Look at this.
I'm scared. Okay, cool.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Looks like garlic mayo.
Your favourite.
Like, Tino, kick the taste buds into gear.
Did you actually mix the garlic and the mayo together, or is that actual like garlic
That's
mayo?
actually garlic mayo. I don't know why you have that in the fridge.
I don't know who bought that.
Yeah.
It angers me every time I look at it. Like, who eats garlic mayo?
You did.
No, I didn't.
Oh, we got that straight off the bat.
Just now. What do you mean?
Oh.
Right, yeah, starting off easy. Lovely stuff. Okay, next one.
We're easy.
Yeah. Next one we've got. Oh. Ready? 3.
Can you say he comes to choo choo?
No. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, cucumber.
Oh wow. Okay.
Did you melt the cucumber before you cut it?
Did I melt it?
Milk it.
Milk it? No.
What's milk in it?
Find out after.
What? Oh, you love milk cucumber. Can I have another one?
No. FA. This is a challenge.
Drink some water, clear your palate.
That one, the cucumber's palate cleansing. Until it accompanying the garlic mayo taste. Yeah, love that.
Next we have. This is the third one, isn't it?
Yeah.
3, 2.
Wait, so you thought I did like cucumber, so you gave it to me anyway? Alright, cool, say that. Nah, I've seen it still.
3, 2, 1.
Is that chocolate but with like lemon on it?
Maybe.
Is that meant to be there?
Maybe. But is it lemon?
Seems like you're enjoying it.
And what's the chocolate since you got that correct?
What's the chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, please. I need to know it.
Galaxy.
How'd you get that?
I'm sick.
Yeah, it's Galaxy. It's Galaxy.
Was there meant to be lemon there?
Yeah. But is it lemon though?
Lime? Something acidic.
Which one are you choosing?
Was it meant to be there? That's all I want to know is, was it meant to be there? Or did you just end up using the wrong spoon?
No comment.
I think you just used the wrong spoon, darling.
No comment.
It wasn't meant to be there.
Well, you got that right then.
Secret ingredients.
Okay. The bonus round.
You haven't even finished the normal one.
No, this is my last one, so it's gonna be. I'm gonna make it a bit special. You know?
So you're tampering with the produce now.
Because I'm different.
She's tampering with it.
Absolutely not. Okay. This is the last one. I've actually just spiced up a little bit.
Wow, okay. Because you said while she's sick, how's she getting them all right?
Yeah. So now you need to guess how many. It's not just one, or it could be just one.
What? How many different things there are
On the same, on
the fork?
no, on this spoon. I'm gonna give you right now.
So,
It could be one.
clarify. I have to guess how many there are, and I have to tell you what each of them
Yes, please.
are. This sounds like a bellyache.
No, it's okay. They all complement each other.
No, I'm actually in a box shoot the face. Kind of not nice. Okay, go.
Ready?
This
is the last one.
I'm angry in advance. I'm so angry.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Can you say he comes to choose?
Here comes the choo-choo train. You should guess all of them on the spoon, please.
There's too much going on. There's strawberry in that.
Okay. But is it strawberry or?
Oh! What do you know? I don't know what was on that. Those two, that texture was so much.
Please, I need to know your answer.
I feel like there was chocolate on that.
Okay.
Yeah, strawberry. So the camera died, but I haven't guessed. Look at look like Naruto. Camera cut out, but I haven't guessed what the last one is. I'm definitely going with like a raspberry or a strawberry. I haven't seen it still. A raspberry or a strawberry with like Nutella.
Final answer?
And then something acidic to throw me off.
What's your final answer, please? I need to.
A raspberry
Okay.
with Nutella. Or no, hot chocolate powder and lime juice. Final answer.
Wrong.
What was it?
So it was a strawberry jam.
Did I
but
say
actually,
raspberry?
yeah.
Oh, I meant strawberry.
Oh, really?
Oh, she asked you like 4 times. Sorry.
English is
Strawberry
my first
jam.
language.
There was a big strawberry though, so it kind of threw you off.
But I said
Actually,
strawberry to begin. Alright, bloody.
That's in the jam.
And-
And then there's actually one of your brownies.
Oh, was it? Ah!
Check out your quiz.
Oh, was it? Hello, oh, that is so funny.
With a touch
your
of
secret
lime.
ingredient?
I knew lime. I got lime though.
Your secret ingredient in brownies is
It's
hot
cocoa,
chocolate.
yes.
Hot chocolate.
Yes.
And now,
Okay.
I know. Oh, that was, how did I get it right? I got 8. 8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
I mean, I passed. That's 80%. I passed. Shout out. Round of applause, everyone. I don't know why I thought you guys would be meaner than you were, but
We have the mushy peas ready.
We
did
did.
you actually?
Yeah.
And then
When we thought,
We didn't want to open the whole packet and then it just be sitting
and
there.
you'd be really moody tomorrow.
I'd be really upset.
Yeah. We have the bell peppers almost.
Yeah, almost sliced.
Well, I would be throwing. Oh, thanks, guys. Thanks.
The
Tomato.
tomato.
Did you actually? All the things I said you
I was
actually
like,
were doing it.
Yeah.
I knew it.
But we didn't, so you
But
were
we
wrong.
Yeah, man.
But I was wrong, but I still won. I got 80%. I got 8 out of 10. That's really good. So that's been all for this Chef's Kitchen episode. You know, not long, short and sweet, like me.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is officially my week of my 1-year anniversary week. So we're gonna do a countdown. Woo! Chef's Kitchen's always been around for 1 year. 1 year. So we're gonna do like a countdown in videos occasionally when I remember to make a video. So you know, wait for that. So this week we have Chef Amos. So that's a new video every
Other day.
Up until Thursday, so that's 2 videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you next time. If you haven't already, if you didn't already know, Chef A has opened her kitchen. We've opened our kitchen. So that was serving food and we're taking orders. So if you would like, you know, to fill your belly with something nice, especially this quarantine, make sure you follow us on Instagram, chefe's_kitchen, Snapchat, chefe's_kitchen, and place an order with us. The menus change every single day, so you are going to have enough to eat. You should not go hungry. Okay? There's something for everyone. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get this video. Let's try and get the channel to 500 before my wedding anniversary, because that would be super nice. If you could, you know, not too much to ask. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely be seeing you in my next video. Remember, eat well, eat healthy, and eat right. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, let's do it in harmony, ready?
Bye.